Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Minister A.L. Hek has said that Meghalaya is a beef-eating state and any attempt to hold a rally in Shillong against cow slaughtering would be seen as provocation to local people who are beef consumers. He also said that any decision to prohibit the proposed rally would be taken by the Chief Minister and he cannot say anything on the matter.
In a beef-eating state, if you are calling that kind of rally, you unnecessarily is provoking the citizens of Meghalaya.
But do you think that the government should issue order for prohibition of any rally?
Very clearly, I told that they are also beef-eating states, and I request that in a beef-eating state, if you are calling that kind of rally, you unnecessarily is provoking the citizens of Meghalaya. The government will be taken a call by the Honorable Chief Minister and others. I cannot say anything right now.
KHADC Deputy CM